Hello, all of you. So, welcome in today's session, everyone. And today we will do here a compound interest topic that I have taken the test on Telegram. Okay. So this I will today I will give you solution of this one. You know that if anyone watching this video on the YouTube, if you want to join the test every day of the quant, then you join this you see written here placement material. Okay, at the rate of Bhism sir, at the rate of Bhism sir, you join this link, all of you, and you can give everyday test at the 9:30 p.m. in night, all of you. Okay, you can appear in the test, everyone. So today test time again we are starting here. Okay, solution of this test. Okay, so start with the question number one. So question number one is here, everyone. See, a sum of money becomes 1.33 times in 3 years as compound interest. The rate of interest is, okay, they're asking here. So sum of money is what here? Principal you take it as a p, and it will become amount after 3 years. How much this is? 1.331 p. So amount is equal to what? Principal 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power n. So 1.331 p is equal to p 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3. Okay, and the rate of interest we don't know, so this we will cancel here. So here 1.331 multiply 1000 we will do above, and multiply below we will do the 1000. So 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube here. So this is the 1331 divided by 1000, 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube, and 11 by 10 to the power cube here, and 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube here. This and this get cancelled. Okay, so this is the 11 by 10 is equal to 1 plus r divided by 100, and like 1 you will bring this side. So 11 by 10 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. Okay, so this is 11 minus 10 is equal to 10 here, r by 100. So 1 by 10 is equal to r by 100. 0 0 cancel here. So r is equal to how much here? 10%. So first one correct answer is the D, that is 10%. Okay, this option actually this is not this is a 10% is the correct option here. Okay, so I think all of you got this one. Okay, this is a very simple. Otherwise you want to do this one by I have told you one trick method in the class. Okay, if you want to apply this method, you can apply here. Simply 1.33 times they're asking here. Okay, so you can go by the option like 100 rupees you have. Okay, and if you go by 50%, this cannot be the answer, because like 1.33 if you multiply with the 100. Okay, how much this is? This is the 1331 131.1 rupees. Okay, so like if you put 10%, 100 if you multiply 1.331, you will get 133.1. Okay, same thing what happened here. See, all of you, 100 rupees I have taken the principal. So this 100 become 130. So how much increase is there? 33.1%. Total increase in the 3 year how much? 33.1%. 100 rupees become 133.1. So 3 year 33.1% is increment. If you take 50%, then in 3 years how much this is? This is the one more than 150%, because compound interest we are going. So this is not correct answer. 8% you will go, then you know this is also not correct answer, because 8% if you will try, all of you. Okay, then 8% first year, 8% second year, 8%, this is 32 only will come. Even the compound interest you will try. Okay, it cannot like only 24 will come here. Sorry, 8 plus 8 plus 8 24. Even compound interest you will try 8 of this one, even you cannot reach 33. If 8 cannot reach, then 7.5 even cannot reach, because he is lesser than 8%. So only 10% is one option. Okay, so if you want to try 10%, 100 rupees you take 10%, all of you, like I told normally this concept. Okay, this is the 1 rupees. Sorry, this is the 1 rupees. This is also 1 rupees here. This is also how much? 1 rupees here. And this one also how much here? interest on interest. So 1 by 10, this is that is 0.1. So 30 and 33, 33.1 rupees. So we are getting exactly, see here, 100 rupees principal we have. If 10% we put the like what interest rate, we get 33.1 rupees. That is the 100 rupees, 1.331%. So you can go by the formula method, and you can go by even option method. Okay, first option never possible, second also not possible, third not possible because second not possible. Only we will try the fourth one, so 10% will come the correct answer. So now everyone will come to the question number 2 here. Okay, see, question number 2 is what here? A sum of rupees 12,000 deposited at compound interest double after 5 years. So I will not take 12,000 rupees. I will take amount P, and that become 2P. In how much time? After 5 years. Okay. After 20 years, it will become how much? Okay. After 20 years, it will become how much? Okay. That we have to find. So we don't know the new amount, how much this is. But I want after 20 years. So 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power 20. This is my new amount. Okay. After 20 years. We will see how much this is. So PP is cancelled, my dear student, in first I'm telling here. And what I will do, both side I will put here 4. Okay, because why I'm putting 4 here? Because I want 20 years. So this first equation is there now. Both side I will put here 4. So 2 4 ja, how much this is? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So this become 16 equal to 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power 20. Okay, so instead of this one, I can write 16 here. So P dash is equal to P multiply 16. And P is how much here? 12,000. So this is the 12,000 multiply 16. So now 16 multiply 12, you do all of you. This is the how much here? 16 10 160 and 32. This is the 192 here. So 192,000 is here. Okay. So this is the only correct answer. Okay. We got new amount. And no need to do all these things. Okay, this question you can do very easily. How? Very simple. This is, they are telling double your amount in 5 years. Okay, and after 20 years, how much this is? So simply you do here 4, because like see here I have done here. So 5 multiply 4 you do, this is 20. And what number you are multiplying? The same number you do here, power. So this is 16 here in 20 years, 16 times. Okay, so simply multiply with your principal 16 times. Without any formula, you can get the answer. Once again, I will repeat, like 5 years, it become the double. Okay. And after 20 years, they're asking, so 5, how much you will multiply? That become the 20. So 5, you will multiply 4, that become the 20. Okay. So compound interest double in the 5 years. So how much time after 20 years? So at 2 to the power 4, I will put. I will multiply 4 here. I will put here power. That is 16 times. So 16 times of the our principal. So multiply 16 here. We will get the answer. Hope you got it, all of you. Now we will try here. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3, you see all of you. They are asking here, okay, sum of money double itself of the compound interest in 15 years. Like a sum of money double. Like amount is equal to principal 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. So amount is how much here? Double they are taking. So 2P I will write here. And this is a P in how many years? 15 years. So I will put here 15. They're asking then how many years it required to become the 8 times. So this amount you need to become 8 times. So new principal become the 8 times. So how he will become the 8 times? Simply I will put here PP cancel here. I will put here Q. So both side I will put the cube here. So 1 plus R divided by 100. And this is a 15 multiply 3 here. So this is a 8 time in how many years? See here 15 3 is a 45. So in 45 years it becomes the 8 times. So this is our correct answer. I think only one student has given the correct answer, this one. Okay. So this is the 60% people see given the this one and this one. So those who have given this day 45 years, their answer is correct. This question also no need to use the formula. Very simple. If 15 years, this has become a double. Your amount become double in the 15 years. And you want 8 times. So how much you are doing how much you have to do the power here, same power you multiply here. So I want 8 times, so I will do here cube. So I will multiply same power here. There's a 45 years. That's it. Okay. Whatever power you are doing with the amount, the same power you multiply with the time. That's it. So question number 3 is the over here. Now come to question number 4, all of you. Question number 4 is here. Again, they're asking same kind of question. A sum of money 6 times of itself in 4 years. Like P is the principal here, 6P, 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power N. Okay. In 4 years, they are telling, okay, 4 years, this becomes the 6 time. They are asking in how many times there are 216. So simply PP cancel here. So 6 cube is a 216. So same number I will multiply here. So 6 3 is how much here? 216, and that is a 4 3 is 12 here. So 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power 12. So 12 year time he will take, and that becomes the 216. Even you can do one thing, all of you, like 6 time in how much time? This is the 4. So this one you will do the cube here. I want 216 times. So this one I will do the cube here. You know that 216 cube is a 6 cube is a 216. So same power I will multiply with the time. So 4 3 is how much here? 12 years. In 12 years he become the 216. So answer is here 12 years. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, all of you. Question number 5. Question number 5 is here, this one. Okay. Question number 5 is asking here. Nobody, I think, given the correct answer. This one. This is a very simple question. Okay. 28,500 rupees someone borrowed at 8% per annum interest, compounded interest. Okay. And he paid the first year 5780. Okay. So then the outstanding amount means how much amount is left. Okay. At the end of the second year. Okay. So see everyone, 28,500 rupees is there now. So you know that I told you in the class, first year and second year, first year SI and CI both are same. Okay, SI and CI both are same for the first year. Okay, so 28,500 rupees, 8%. You find everyone how much this is. This is the 285, and 8 5 are 40. I carry 4, 8 is 64 plus 8 here, 6 here, and 8 to just 16. 16 plus 6 is how much here? This is 22. So 2280, your simple interest, yeah, you can say compound interest after first year. Okay. And total amount, how much you have taken as a loan? You have taken 28,500. So how much he paid? He paid 5780. Okay. So see everyone, only interest is 2280. So in first year he paid more than the simple interest. Okay. So how much he paid more than the simple interest? That also bank will detect in the principal also. So only how much he paid? He paid 5780, and his interest is how much here? 2280. So 005 and 3 here. So 3,500 rupees he paid extra. Okay. So that will going to detect in here his principal amount. So 28500 minus how much here? 3500. So how much this is? 000 and 5 and 2 here. So 25,000 is your principal. Your principal is how much here? 25,000 rupees. This 25,000 rupees is net principal left that he has to deposit. But after 1 year, this is the main amount that is left for him. This amount he has to pay the interest. So what I will do, this amount second year we will charge the 8% interest rate, 25,000 rupees, 8%. How much this is? 0 cancel here, 25 8 is 200, and one more 0, 2,000 rupees. Okay. And my principal is how much after first year? 25,000. So 25,000 plus 2,000 is here, 27,000 rupees. 27,000 is your amount after 2 years. At the end of 2 years, after paying this amount. Okay. So 27,000 rupees you have to pay at the end of second year. And this answer is wrong actually. And those who have corrected this answer, that their answer is correct. Okay. You have to count in the result. Okay. and some problem even coming in the boat application. Okay, yesterday I have taken the ratio and proportion test. Okay, so that test even some students are done 6 question correct, 7 question correct, but they are not getting the answer. So this is a technical issue from the board side. So I request to all of you, you have to like count by yourself how much you have done corrected and write your score in the board. Okay, that will decide only your rank. Okay. Okay, so now we will do the next question, sixth one. Question number 6 is here, everyone. See, a sum of 8,000 become 12,500 in 2 years at a certain rate of compound interest. What will be the sum after 3 years? Okay. So see everyone, a sum of rupees 8,000 becomes 12,500 in 2 years. Okay. At a certain rate of compound interest, they're asking what will be the sum after 3 years. So they're asking what here? They're asking compound interest here. How much is a compound interest? So very simple. Your principal 8,000 rupees and amount how much? Amount 12,500 rupees. Okay. So this 12,500 rupees, my dear student, amount in 2 years. So we can do this one in a very simple way. Okay, that simple method is what here? Simply you cancel this one. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, and 80, and this is the 125. So 5 time it will go 16 here, and this is the 125, and this is 25. So after 2 years, this is the case. After this entire situation become after 2 years. So I will take a square root. After 3 years, they will give like this. Ki principal become this much amount. Okay, and then you have to take the cube. Okay, so this is a 4 here, this is a 5 here. So 4 is a principal, 5 is the amount. Okay, so how much extra rupees you are getting? 1 rupees extra you are getting. What is this? This is your compound interest. This is your CI in second year. So my dear student, 1 rupees you are getting the CI here. So 1 is a what percent of 4? Find everyone, 25%. So interest rate is here 25%. So very simple, all of you. Like at the end of the second year, you have 1250 total amount. So this one you directly find here 125%, because 25% extra, 25% is your interest rate. So this is a 5, this is the 4 here, and this is the 4 3 ja 12, 1 4 2 ja 10 here, and 4 5 ja 20. So now 3125 multiply with 5 here, 3 5 ja 15,000, and 125 multiply 5 is how much? This is 625. So this is the 15,625 is the correct answer. Okay, 15,625 is the correct answer here. So 15,625 is the correct answer for this one. Okay, so I think all of you. So 15,625 is the correct answer. Okay, so for this question, this is the correct answer, 15,625. So now we will go to the next question. Okay, all of you. So next question is here, question number 7. Question number 7, you see everyone. A sum of money amounts to 6690 after 3 years. This is the actually why left here, years. Okay. 6690, like starting I don't know, but after 3 years, this becomes 6690. Okay. And after again 3 years, this has become how much? 10,035. So they're asking here, find the sum. Means what is your initial amount? So see everyone, I will tell you one thing. Okay, like something like some P amount is there. He will become the after 3 years something. Then again after next 3 years he is something. Then again after next 3 years he is something. So if you divide amount divide by a principal, na, whatever ratio you will get it, this ratio multiple your principal will move. Like see here, 10,035 and 6690. This is the what? Amount divided by principal, because we will assume this one principal, this one 3 years one. So we will find the like ratio of this one. So 5 2 ja 10, 0 0 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5 here, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, and 5 8 ja 40. So what is this? 1338. 5 4 ja 20. Sorry, this is the 2007 I will take here, and 1338. This will go by 3 3 6 ja 18, and 2 and 0 again 3 6 ja 18 here, and 3 9 ja 27. 669 is here, and 3 4 are 12, 3 4 are 12, and 3 6 are 18. So 669 divided by 446. Okay. So I think this is, oh my God, this will go by like 223. I will take 223 to 246, and 223 multiply 3 is 669. So 3/2 ratio this is running. 3/2 ratio. So whatever principal you have now, 3/2 times this amount, and whatever 6690 is there now, if you multiply 3/2 will get this amount. So I don't know anything principal, simply I will do 3/2 and I'll get 6690. So this is a 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, and this is 3 here 0. So principal is equal to how much here? 2230 multiplied 2 is 6440. So 4466. So this is the first one is the answer. Most of you have answered correctly this one. Okay. Otherwise, this question you can do in very easy way. Even not easy way, one formula method is there. I will tell you how. See everyone, directly you take 6690 as a principal, and rate you take it here 0035. Okay, and 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3. So 10,035 and 6690, 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube. So 10,035 divided by 6690 equal to 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube. Okay, so this one I already got it 3/2 here, all of you. Yes, 3/2 we got it, all of you. So 3/2, and simply you solve by this method. Okay, how much we have to find the sum, this principal. One second. So rate you can find from here, whatever rate will come now. Again this rate 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube, coming how much? Coming 3/2. Okay, this value coming like this. So now see everyone, this principal coming, how this amount is there now 6690. This is coming after 3 years. So just you assume, all of you, can starting you have p principal. Okay, and 6690 after 3 years, and you put like this 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube. So 6690 and principal is here, and 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube is value how much? 3/2. So 3/2 I will write here. So 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, and 3 here 0. So principal is equal to how much here? Multiply 2 here is a 4460. This is the principal here. Principal is 4460. So we can get by the formula method even, and we can get by the method I told you, the fraction. Okay, directly we have to do divide 10,035 and divide by 6690. And see everyone, if someone will ask, okay, after 9 years, how much this amount? Like, see, I will explain you here. Principal, we don't know starting how much. We know that after 3 years, this is the 6690. And after again 3 years, how much this is? 10,035. And again after 9 years, they will ask, like again next, like this is after 6 years. This is the 3. This is the from starting 6 and from starting 9. After 9 years, how much amount is there? So simply what you will do, 10,035 multiply 3/2. This you will do it, you will get after 9 years amount, because 3/2 is a fraction. What, like a periodic year is there now, same fraction you multiply, you will get the answer of this one. Okay, so now we have done question number 7. Now we will try to question number 8 here. See everyone, question number 8, all of you. If a simple interest and compound interest of a certain sum of money for 2 years are 8400, this is the SI, and CI is how much here? 8652. So let us write calculating the sum of money and the rate of interest. Okay, means how much starting money you have, principal how much in the starting you have, and a rate also they're asking. I think in this question rate only they're asking. Calculate the sum of money and the rate of interest, but option only they have given here, rate of interest. I told you to everyone, 8400 is 2 year simple interest. Okay, so I told you ki simple interest is every year uniform. So what you have to do, 8400 divide by 2. How much this is? 4200. So first year you have how much? You have a simple interest 4200. And see everyone, I told you even If first year CI and SI both is same. First year CI and SI both is same here. Okay, all of you. So tell me everyone, how much coming extra amount here? First year, you know that all of you ki SI is a 4200, and second year also this is the 4200. And I told you ki first year SI and CI is same, so both are a 4200 only. So how much extra amount coming second year? So 8652 minus 4200, this is a 254 and 4 here. You are getting 4452. 4452. How much extra you are getting from simple interest in second year? So what I will do, 4452 minus 4200. This is a 252 here, 252 rupees. So we are getting here 252 rupees extra. This is our compound interest that we earn on this first year principal. So I will find here ki 252 rupees is a what percent of 4200. Okay, this cancel here, and this is the how much here, 4 6 24, 6%. So my dear student, 252 rupees second year you are getting extra 252 rupees. This 252 rupees extra coming due to the first year simple interest of 4200. So that is a 6%. 252 rupees is 6% of 4200. So this is your first answer is the correct. Okay, I think one student has given the correct answer. Now we will go to the next question, 9-1. Okay, question number 9. This is, see everyone, question number 9 you will do. Then this is very like 30,000 rupees is here. What principal? Find the compound interest on this 30,000 rupees. Okay, 2 year 73 days. Okay, so what we can do in this one, I will tell you one thing. 35 by 4% is how much? You see everyone, 4 8 yeah 32, and 83 by 4%. This is your net percentage, 83 by 4%. Okay, so see everyone, if you take even almost this is 9%, you take for time being 9%. Okay, and first year 9%, first year 9%, 9 into 9, if you take successive event. Okay, 9 into 9 plus 9 plus 9, like successive formula, this is there na, x plus y plus x multiply y divided by 100. This is the formula of successive compound interest. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 into 9 divided by 100. So 18 plus 81 divided by 100. So this is the 18 plus 0.181. Okay, so this is the how much here, 18.81. Okay, and see everyone, you have 35 by 4% for 73 days. So you know that 365 days we have in the year. So divide by 73, it will go by the 5 times. So what I will do, 1 by 5 times of this one. So this is how much, 5 7 35, 7 by 4, 7 by 4% coming, almost 4 2 8, almost 2%. So 18.81, so almost 19.81, 20.81, almost 20.5% will come here. Okay, of your principal amount. See everyone, this question if you start doing by the formula method, it will take a lot of time. Okay, very simple, just you guess here ki 20% of 30,000 is what? So 30,000 rupees, if you find 20.5%, everyone, you will get 0 cancel here, 30 multiply 205, 6 1500, almost 6,000 we are going nearby. So this is the answer. And see all the answer, this is only 10%, this is only 10%, this is almost like what I can say 12%, and here almost we are coming 20 to 21%. We are not getting exact rate, but we are getting some near about rate. Okay, so even see all lot of differences there in the answer. So some of them will tell, sir, none of these might be answer, none of the above. It might be answer, but such a question if you will take a lot of time by solving formula methods, better to hit on this one. You can do even you can by assumption. Okay, you can see almost 9% coming here, 9 to 18, and third year like you will take something like 2-3%. So almost 20% we are getting something. So this is the only answer. All these answers are very lot of differences there. So immediately you have to mark third one. Okay, So now we will come to next question here. Everyone, question number 10. They are asking here, what is the difference between the compound interest and simple interest calculated on an amount of 16,200 at the end of 3 year at 25% per annum? So how much is here your see everyone, you can see 3 years difference. One formula is there for SI and CI. Formula is here PR divided by 100 to the power square R by 100 plus 3. This is the formula that is used for the 3-year difference. What they're asking here, what is the difference between the compound interest and simple interest calculated on the amount 16,200? So simply you put here and 25 by 100 you do here a square and 25 by 100 plus 3 and like 16,200 you can do in your home. Okay, you will get the correct answer from this one, but this is a lot of calculation. You will do by 4. This is the 4 4 16 here, and again this is the 4 here, 4 3 12 12 plus 1 13 13 divided by 4 here. Okay, so lot of calculation is here, lot of calculation. Okay, so you do this calculation, you will get the answer, but I prefer to all of you my method I told you in the class. Okay, that method is the best. Okay, see everyone, like 25% they have told the percentage here. Okay, so what I will do in this one, simply I will write 1 by 4, and for 3 years they're asking. So what I told you, ki CI and SI difference. Okay, CI and SI difference, if your this one is a 1 by 4, so directly you take 3A plus 1. So how much this is, and how much you will take the principal, you take the AQ. So 4Q is how much? 64. If you put the 4Q and 4 value you keep here, 4 3 12 plus 1 13 here. So your principal is a 64, then here CI/SI difference is a 13. So same funda I will apply. If my principal is a 64, then my CI/SI difference is how much here? 13. So if my principal is a 16,200, so what is my CI/SI difference for 3 years? So simply I will do like this and divide by 64. So this is the 4 I will go here 16 and 4 4 is 64 and 0 4 5 is 20 and 0 here. Okay, again I think this is 16 here. Nah? This will go by 8 and this will go by 2025. Okay, 2025. So now what I will do here, 2025 multiply with 13. 2025 multiply with 13. So 6075 here, and this is the 2025 52362 26325, and I have to divide by 8. This is 8 3 are 24, and this is 2 and 3, 8 2 are 16 here, and this is the 7 and 2 here, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, and this is the 5. I think 5 is there, so you will get the 0 here, and again put here this one. So 8 5 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 48 is here. This is the 2 0 here, and 8 2 is 16. So 3290.62 is coming the answer. Okay, so this is your correct answer here. Okay, so you have to go by this method. Okay, all of you, ki my CI/SI difference is how much here? 3A plus 1. Always we are taking of the fraction form, whatever in the denominator, and principal we are considering like 64 here. Okay, so I think all your doubt is clear. Okay, so all of you see what is your today your test. I think partnership they have given. Today is 23rd September. So partnership I have given the test. So all of you prepare for this test, and those who member watching on the YouTube this one, you have to go through this link, placement material at the rate of Bhisham sir. Okay, you can solve so many questions here available for the different topic that is important for the all bank exam and SSC, as well as the those who are preparing for the placement. Okay, thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next video.